Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of dilation representations. This is standard 8.3c in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 17 of the 2025 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. All right, so we've got a triangle here and it is dilated with the origin as the center to create a new triangle. And our new triangle here is going to be this M prime, N prime, P prime. We've got the original vertices and the new vertices, and we're trying to figure out what rule, algebraic rule, best represents this dilation. Well, let's visually take a look real quick, okay? So we can create a coordinate plane here if we change the grid size to small. And let's just make a coordinate plane right here. So I'll start it up there. I'll use the connect line feature to kind of get from here, make sure it's straight, and we'll go here. All right, so let's say this is our coordinate plane. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add some points here for our original vertices, -4, 6. All right, so -4 is going to be over 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so right about there. And you know what, let's make those blue. All right. So then we've got a 2, 6. So 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I've got a -4, -2. So it's over -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then -2. And let's connect these lines here. So I've got this, and I've got this, and I've got this. All right, so that is my triangle MNP. I'll just call this MNP. Now, what happens to M prime, N prime, P prime? We'll take a look. It's going to get a lot bigger. I'm going to change this to green here. So green, M prime goes to -10, 15. So it started at -4. Now it's going to go over an extra 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then up an extra 9 because it went from 6 up to 15. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Probably right around there. And so we can call this M prime. And then I've got 5, 15 for my N prime. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3 more, right? And so I'm just going to go all the way up to 15. And I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3 more. So that's going to be right around here. And that's going to be my N prime. And then P prime is -10, -5. So we're going to go over to our -10. And then we're going to come down to, instead of 2 down, we're going to come down 3. So 1, 2, 3 extra. This looks like we've got our M prime, N prime, P prime, the center as the point of origin here. Now, as we can tell, we got larger. All right, so what this does is this visually helps us see we got larger, which means our scale factor needs to be greater than 1. So our scale factor, since we are enlarging, needs to be greater than 1. 2/5 less than 1. 1/6 less than 1. So by visually doing this, we can see, all right, A and D don't work. Now is it 2.5 or is it 6? Well, there's a few different ways we can look at this. We can think about how do we get from, let's take 2 points, -4 to -10. I took these 2 points. Or how do I get from 6 to 15? You're looking for the 2 points that line up. You could do it that way and think, okay, how much did you scale up? Did you scale up by 2.5 or did you scale up by 6? Honestly, the fastest way is just to make it a ratio. The scale factor is going to be the new prime coordinate as the ratio over the original component. So 15 over 6 or -5 over -2, which is 5 halves, which is 2.5. So our answer here is B.